Now as children we will study pressure in fluids. One common property of all the fluids like liquid and gas is that all fluids flow. A liquid flows from a higher level to a lower level. A gas flows in all directions. So children, let us learn about the pressure in water and air. Blaise Pascal, a French scientist, proved experimentally that fluid exert equal pressure in all directions. Fluid exert equal pressure in all directions. To learn about sideward pressure in liquids, we perform the following activity. Sideward pressure in liquids. So you can see upward thrust from water helps swimmers and water animals to remain afloat in water. And that is called upthrust. The upward thrust exerted by a liquid or a gas, or you can say air, on an object when immersed in it is called the buoyant force. So thrust per unit area is called pressure. Note that children, that thrust per unit area is called pressure whenever we consider a liquid or a gas. So now we will study pressure from a liquid. Pressure from a liquid is in all directions and includes upward thrust as well. To learn about it, we make use of a simple pressure detector which we called as manometer. Here is the figure of a manometer. It looks like an U shape. Understanding of the laws of liquid pressure. Deeper the funnel is pushed into the water, more is the pressure exerted on the sheet of the funnel by the water, and more is the rise in the level of the colored water. You can see here in the figure that the level is rising in the right hand side, which resembles that the pressure is high. Now keep the funnel at a particular level. Make a note of the level of the colored water in a manometer. Keeping the funnel at the same level, move it to the sideways and upwards. The level of the colored water in the manometer remains the same, showing a liquid exerts equal pressure in all directions, and the pressure from the liquid increases only with the increase in depth. Understanding of the laws of liquid pressure. Take a glass of U-tube with both ends open. Fix the tube on a board and mark the length of the tube with the equidistant markings on the board. Now pour some colored water in the U-tube. Keep a note of the level of the colored water in both its arms. Now take a glass or a plastic funnel. Tie a thin balloon rubber sheet on its wide mouth. Now fix the rubber tube to the tip of the stem of the funnel. The other end of the rubber tube be connected to the one end of U-tube. Now children, you have to do, press upon the rubber sheet. Air inside the funnel is pushed, which presses upon the colored water in the U-tube. Level of the colored water in the arm connected to the rubber tubing is pressed down and the level of the colored water in the other arm rises.